This is a message telling you to stop abortion or else your office will be burnt to the ground. Well, Mrs. Munday, we all know you're a moral leper of abortion. Never have so few butchered so many and tricked so many for such little reason.
The relentless hate mail and abusive phone calls didn't stop Diane Munday from fighting for every woman to have the right to an abortion. In fact, she told me, if anything, it made her even more determined.
For I would think it was a couple of years. I had the phone ringing 2-3 times during the night, early hours of the morning. And when I answered, there was obviously a recording of a very new baby crying, and then a voiceover saying, "Mama, Mama, you killed me."
50 years to the day since abortion was legalised in Britain, Diane has spent more than half a century campaigning. Now 86, she says in the past, when others were too scared to speak up, she did.
I think our campaign is going very well. It's taken a long time to build up because we don't have the resources of the Catholic Church, for instance, to give us a baseline.
I look round in the supermarket queue on the train and I think 1 in 3 of you have had an abortion, if they're in the right age group, but they don't speak out.
Diane remembers the year 1961 well. 6 years before it became legal, she found herself needing an abortion, making her way to a Harley Street clinic, where at the time, if you had a checkbook, you could have the procedure safely.
I vowed then that if needs be, I would spend the rest of my life campaigning for people who didn't have checkbooks.
Decades on from the pro-choice marches of the 70s, and Supreme Court judges are currently deciding whether Northern Ireland's abortion law breaches women's human rights. While in West London, a council is considering creating safe zones to stop pro-life campaigners from protesting outside an abortion clinic. Diane told me her work is not yet done. In her words, when you're a campaigner, you're not allowed to retire. Minnie Stevenson, 5 News.